Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own submarine sandwich at home. It's going to be filled with a lot of great ingredients, and I'll show you that special type of oil sauce that they pour on at some of those sandwich shops. But before we go there, I want to let you know that I do other types of videos on my channel. I do container gardening, where I show you how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers. I do other easy to make recipes. I do product reviews, and I have some meditation videos. So come on, let's go build that submarine sandwich. We're going to start by washing and chopping up some nice romaine lettuce. Just that nice crispy crunch. We're going to take a nice red tomato. I like to core my tomatoes, and I do peel my tomatoes when they're store-bought. And I'm going to slice this up. I'm going to take a red onion, and I'm going to make some nice slices of red onion. Now we're going to make that signature type salad dressing that sub shops like to spray on their sandwiches, and it's basically Italian herb seasoning, and I already showed you some olive oil and some red wine vinegar. So it's a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now you can add a little more or a little less depending on your taste. Just gonna whisk that up together there. That is smelling good. And then you're going to put some salt. Put salt to taste in there. I'm going to start off with about a little bit of a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you want to give it a taste. Now we're going to do the fun part. I got some oven roasted turkey. I have some bologna. I have some pastrami. I have some honey ham and some Swiss cheese. Now I got some Duke mayonnaise. Put a nice amount on there, but that's up to you how much mayo you want. And then I just start assembling. Now all the meat and lettuce is going on. I'm going to pour some of this delicious, I probably should have used a spoon, but get some of this delicious little dressing on here. And that's going to add moisture and flavor. It's going to go so good with the flavors of the different luncheon meats that we have on here. Let me clean up a little bit. Gonna add our tomatoes. That's looking so yummy. Get some onions sprinkled over here, as much as you like. Look, that's turning out to be a very nice looking sandwich. Put the lid on, smush it down a little bit. Now that's a great looking sandwich. But wait, there's more. I'm going to add some of these banana peppers to it. It'll give a nice little zing. And if you don't like banana peppers, that's fine. You don't have to put it on there. Maybe just some regular pickles. But that'll give it some extra crunch, and that vinegar will add another level of flavor to this sandwich. After all, this is your sandwich, and I am going to add some pickles to mine. And that's a nice looking sandwich. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Well, that's it for now. Bye bye.